How to use Puppet Warp tool effectively in Photoshop. The Puppet Warp tool in Photoshop is like other warp tools, as it adds a mesh onto a subject in an image. The mesh allows you to manipulate certain parts of the subject while keeping other areas intact and in the original position. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Use Ctrl+J keyboard shortcut to duplicate the base image. Hide the background layer. Go to Edit menu and choose Puppet Warp. Add selection points. Thank you.